might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sometimes she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon, I can go to space with the air, like I don't care, baby, about the weather. Just fine. Yeah, no offense.